Okay, this video is regarding cancellation refund policy. These are the breaks that we recommend: 30 days plus 85%, 20 days plus 65%, and 10 days plus 40%. After 10 days, there'd be no refund. You can put whatever numbers you want in here. It needs to start with a decimal, so 85 would be 0.85, 0.65, 0.40. When someone cancels, the program will calculate this automatically, how much refund they get from their reservation deposit. And so that's how that works. Thanks for watching.